What's up, guys? We got another unboxing today, and yeah, let's get into it. I actually got a knife. Oh my gosh. Shocking. Alrighty, let's get into this. Let's start with this guy. Just want to say a big thanks to Fahrenheit 4051. That is who sent me these. And for these devices, he got one of these. So yeah. Alright, I changed my mind. I'm actually going to do this first because it's not as rare. And alright, as you can see, we have a first gen System Sensor Specular Classic horn strobe. This is very cool. P2475, so it's a 75 Candela Classic. And I don't have a Classic horn strobe yet. So yeah, it's very cool. Alrighty, back to this. We have a very cool pulse station. As you can see, we have a Chevron pulse station. And yeah, it has a white handle, which is really rare. And yeah, it's very cool. So yeah, there's that guy. Alrighty, let's go ahead and open this up. The packaging is done very well, by the way. It's just hard for me to get open. So this device is actually really cool, and I have not owned one of these before. This is an Edwards 892 horn strobe. And I've actually seen these before in a restaurant in San Francisco. And ever since then I wanted to get one. So I finally own one, which is really, really cool. So yeah. There's that. Alrighty, and then last but certainly not least, we have a extremely rare device that not a lot of people have at all. If I can get it out. Alrighty, this is a Space Age Electronics V33 that is a storm light. And it's very rare. V33-BL-SCXB, and then more stuff. But yeah, you get the point. It is a very rare blue light. So yeah, let's go ahead and put all these together. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. And yep.